Yeah. It went by itself. How many millimeters? Which time? 100. I cut it out.
Oh. Red switch.
Yeah.
Flash.
There's a handle right there.
It's unlimited time?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
You want to get close?
Oh, yeah.
It seems to have a little bit down. Ready when you are.
Okay. It's a low pass.
Okay.
Just the motor off, okay?
That's nice. Nice glide. Love that glide.
Okay, I'm gonna be landing.
You should land it from the west, Sherlock.
Yep. I'm gonna land it, okay?
Yeah, okay. Keep that nose down a little. Very nice. Woo!